Welcome to IA DIY's laser product explanation video. Today I'll be quickly explaining the difference between a laser and a laser product, as well as giving a brief demonstration. Laser is the physical components which make up the laser itself, while a laser product is an object which has a laser within it. This can be easily understood using an example. Take a laser printer. While the laser printer has a laser within it, it itself is not a laser, thus it is a laser product. This distinction is especially important when giving laser safety classifications, as it is not the laser itself, but the laser product's power output, which determines the laser product's safety classification. We will now give a demo showcasing this. However, before we go over there, let me explain the use of the TTL adjuster we will be using as well. Many people who use lasers in their products are not familiar with how to control lasers or with pulse width modulation or PWM. Thus, this controller is able to allow people unfamiliar with this concept to quickly and easily research and develop their products as needed. So this here is the TTL pulse width modulation controller. And after connecting it, it is as simple as turning this knob to turn on the laser. And then as we continue to twist this knob, the brightness of the laser will increase before reaching a maximum at 100%. And we can turn it back off. However, this is not very professional, and it is not used when giving laser safety classifications, so we will use a sensor to be more precise. So we can see on this power meter, this will display the power output of the laser module. And as we turn it on, we can see that the output power increases. So to have a class 1 laser product, it has to be below 0.39 milliwatts. However, this does not mean the laser itself needs to be at that power level. And we will now show that with this quick demonstration. So let me quickly put this laser at around 2.2 milliwatts. Now this would typically be considered a class 3 laser product given the laser output. However, I will now put our representation of a laser product, which will affect the laser beam, lowering the power. So here we have our depiction of a laser product, which has the laser module encapsulated within it. And we can see on this board over here that the output laser beam has also been affected. And now we will use the power meter again to illustrate this point. So now, despite the laser module itself being at the same about 2 milliwatts as it was previously, the power output after putting the laser product on it is now at 0.2 milliwatts or so. Thus making it, although it was originally a class 3 laser, it is now a class 1 laser product. However, now there is a separate issue where the laser beam may not be as bright as customers may need it to be. While they still want it to comply with class 1 laser product, the laser beam is not bright enough. Thus, we can turn the knob to adjust it to that below 0.39 milliwatt requirement. So we'll put the brightness while still being below that requirement. I hope now you're able to understand the difference between a laser and a laser product, as well as the importance of using a TTL pulse width modulation controller while in your research and development phase. To learn more about laser safety, as well as learn more about IA DIY's products, please visit www.iadiy.com.